Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Woo!
I'm rolling.
Hey PLFM, I'm back. I'm Haeli, registered dietitian with Okanagan Nutrition, and this is Nick.
Nick. Yes.
A little early, Nick.
Should I try it again? Nick here. Okay.
And this is Cookin and Compostin.
Cookin and Compostin.
Today, Nick and I are making energy balls. So, do you want to list some of the ingredients we have on the counter? Putting you on the spot.
This looks like hemp hearts. Peanut butter. This looks like chocolate balls.
Chocolate chips, dairy-free chocolate chips.
Dairy-free. Honey.
Maple syrup.
Coconut flakes. Oatmeal.
And some vanilla.
Yes.
So really all this entails is mixing all the ingredients into a bowl and rolling them into balls and freezing them until they harden up a little bit. We can do it together.
Okay.
I'll do rolled oats, you do the hemp heart.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's so much more gentle. Coconut.
Choose this one.
You do the messy peanut butter. Here's a little thing if you
The
want.
spatula.
Yeah.
Remember when you rejected my spatula?
Yes. I'm gonna choose this one. Thanks though.
Okay, so we're gonna put some peanut butter in here now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's some on my finger. I need a second spatula. Is it spatula?
Spatula.
Spatula.
La, la,
How do you
la.
spell that? E-R or A?
A.
Oh.
It's okay. Maple syrup. You can use honey. It's a little bit more thick, so it holds together a bit nicer. Mix it all together.
Mix it all together? Okay.
Perfect.
Look at that. Too bad we don't have any pineapples. Right? Just cut that. It's not a good one.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot the vanilla.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
add a dash of vanilla, about a teaspoon.
I feel like this was actually a good time to put that in. Because
I think you're right. I think you're right. I mean, it's gonna fall apart, but what you do is we'll scoop some in and hopefully roll it. Hopefully roll it into
really messy.
balls. Do we put ground flax into it?
We didn't put any ground flax.
So we're gonna put those back in. Add ground flax. So about 1/3 of a cup of ground flax as like kind of the binder.
Do like the 2-spoon mix this time.
2 spoon. Oh, let's do that process all over again.
Yeah. Okay.
Rolling into balls. Uno ball.
Actually helps if you really squeeze it. There's no air in that thing.
Look how messy we are. You're gonna have a lot of energy with that ball.
Yeah.
Like Nick's balls are superb. I feel you. All right.
Look at that.
Whoops.
Whoa.
I think you'd be pleasantly surprised
Yep.
to find out that the nice balls are not Nick's.
I'm not going to say anything.
All right, so these will hold together better when you put them in the freezer for like 20 to 30 minutes. So dig into one now and let me know what you think.
Okay, sure. That's really good.
Form is a little off. Like this
Kind
one.
of reminds me of cookie dough.
It does remind me of cookie dough. But it is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Would be even better in 30 minutes when it's held together.
Yep. Yep. If you put some more like maple syrup over top and then froze that, it'd be like a real, it would hold it together well, but it would be really sticky. Maybe you could put like some like a stick. So it's like a
pogo.
An oat pop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
An energy ball pop. Be pretty good. Too bad we don't have sticks.
Too bad.
I don't need any more of that. I feel energetic enough.
That was awesome. Thank you, Nick, for
Yeah.
joining me in the kitchen.
Thank you so much for teaching me how to cook these.
I mean, you outshone me with the balls.
Or make them.
That's it for this episode of Cookin and Compostin. We'll see you next time.
See ya.